This was one of my most exhausting days at the University of Pennsylvania.
Dress rehearsal.
White shirt. I fell right on my knee.
Basically like 12 hours before show.
I have a question for you guys. When does the next day start for you guys? So I can explain why it's 7 o'clock in the morning and I haven't gone to bed yet. In college, you're gonna have times where you're gonna have a lot of work and it's all gonna pile up. And whether it's finals week or the week before your show, that can really leave. And me being in Pan Asian Dance Troupe and our show being tomorrow, things have gotten pretty busy lately. And to show you I'm not exaggerating, let me show you a day during Hell Week. But first, I'm gonna get a little sleep because I really am gonna need it today. Alright, it's almost time for our first class, so let's just head over there. Alright, so after the first class, we only have like 15 minutes between now and the second class, but I'm really hungry. So let's go eat somewhere like Hill. So they got some random like rice and pork. They also got at the Hill Grill, they made you fettuccine alfredo on the spot. I'm gonna eat this real quick. We don't have a lot of time today. At this point, there's not really much time to eat anymore. We just have to go now. Alright, so we just need to head over to the Huntsman building right now because I have my marketing 10-10 recitation. Thanks.
What you got the camera out for?
You know, we're back. Today is like the busiest day I've ever had. Alright, now I have to go back to East Campus for my last class of the day. It's a cinema studies class. Low-key, I should have designed my schedule to not go from east to west back to east side campus in 15 minutes, but you know what? It is what it is.
Every of these actors developed a particular persona. I hope you have enjoyed. That's one of my favorites. Enjoy.
Welcome to Iron Gate Theater, or basically where I'm gonna be for the next 6 or so hours. So today's Thursday, which means it's our dress rehearsal for our show on Friday and Saturday for Pan Asian Dance Troupe.
That big ass camera.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Matsu. We're having a great time. That's what we're doing. But we got our show coming up. It's gonna be a really fun time. You see the lights, it's gonna be immaculate. It's gonna be amazing. The aesthetic is just too pristine.
So there's like 10 minutes before I gotta get my makeup on, so I'm just gonna go to 1920 Commons to grab my dinner. Could I have a rice, beef, and a cauliflower, please? Turkey burger and tater tots, please. Alright, so this is the final haul. It looks edible. Alright, we have our food secured for the near future, but now we gotta race back to Iron Gate Theater. We're entering the makeup zone. Wait, is Christine here?
Dude, I look so ratchet right now. Hi guys, this is my little, I'm his big, and I look really ratchet right now.
It's stop. But what are you gonna put on me?
Look even smaller than they are.
You can. What's makeup's gonna go on me?
Everything. You're a little ugly right now, so you have to fix you.
God damn, that was beautiful. How you doing, little princess?
Whoa, what the? Oh my god.
Wait, isn't he so glittery?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No!
What do you mean no?
Do I have to?
Yes. This
No, this is a fucking.
This one
No,
or-
it's a fucking.
Just make your lips
That's a
darker.
fucking lie. Steven, did you put on lipstick? Yeah, fuck you.
Oh shit.
Angelina, did
Oh,
Christine
yeah.
like butcher me?
No, you look good. You look good.
Oh. It's
what?
27 minutes.
Whoa, whoa. The next victim for Christine, it's Steven. Let's get a zoom in on that.
You might be a little too sparkly. I might have.
I look 12.
We got Hannah and Jason.
Ready to go?
Was that for, what is that?
Hairspray.
Oh, okay.
You need hairspray?
Oh, sure, probably.
Here we go.
Okay.
We're getting ready for the show.
A little behind the scenes action.
Ready.
Hello? Okay, guys, can everyone stop talking? We're going to start our first dress rehearsal. We're going to run this basically entirely like show. Treat this like it's the real deal. Like this is really show. So make sure that you're putting on like a performance today.
Alright, we got Maglala next. Mountain climbers too. Bro's crazy. He's joining in. Let's go. You'll see why he's doing push-ups in a sec. Alright, I would say we nailed that.
One of my nuts snapped.
Snapped? What?
Nuts snapped.
Does no one else find it funny how after Maglala is flower petals, like the two most opposite dances? Stage manager John, how do you feel? Tired?
I've been standing here,
What have you been doing?
looking at a screen, telling your video guides to turn on the lights.
It's hard work. I gotta grab my food and it's time to eat. What are you working on right now?
Homework.
Oh my god.
Is that from Hill?
This is from Commons, dude. This meat looks sus. I don't have my fork or my stick. You gotta
Section 1 is China.
meets expectations pretty much.
I'm so down for not pants too, but
What?
he wants modesty, bro. We're not modest.
Justin, that's a quote I'm gonna take out.
We're not gonna let him be the only prude on stage.
All right, Tyler. Getting soldiered up. All right, we're fully done eating. Now we just gotta wait until Soldier. Soldiers.
Does anyone see a spear?
Perfect way. You put this above your head. Anyone has a smaller nut?
I have a smaller nut.
I have the smallest nut.
We're dancing for now into another dance, so I gotta change. All right, this is the costume for Fedora. I'll see you out there. Alright, first run through is done. We have like 10 minutes, but now we're going right into the second run through. Let's do this one more time. Hold.
Alright, so, off to a great start. We're in it to win it. Nice and organized, but not so organized, but we're doing our best, giving it 120%. We're gonna have a good time. Face that mentality, you know, keep like strong, confident, also smooth and relaxed.
Of course.
The night is still young.
The night is still young. The sis grind never stops. What is happening now?
I'm doing my Nets homework.
Is it due tonight?
No.
Bro! I gotta get changed for 2 back-to-back dances. How was that?
Good. I think the timing was better.
what's it called? Herbivore. We have a rabbit right here.
Black tank, right?
On a cut. Damn.
On the cut, the Maglala cut.
That's what I'm saying.
Alright, 2 dances down, 3 more to go, or like, what, 4 more to go? Costume change, let's go. Alright, the costume change for Maglala. And that's gonna be my next costume change.
It's gonna make good content.
Sure.
Bryce,
Yes.
sophomore. Nice to meet you.
Bryce Spice.
Bryce with
As
the
you can-
nuts.
Coco Bros. Let's Coco go. It's soldier time again. Let's go. On the fall, I fell right on my knee. I tried to go for the most realistic fall and I actually just fell. We gotta change. And now we have finale. We're done. So now we gotta go clean everything up and then start video watching. I'll see you guys there.
Okay, transition.
Hi, are you enjoying your donut?
Yeah, I can. Oh,
Let's go. Wawa order. We have halal. We have canes.
Who took my chocolate? It's right here.
Basically like 12 hours before show. We're going to play all the show videos from today. Bonnie, opener, run through 1 or run through 2? Run through 2.
2, please.
Okay, first off, this is not my order. This is Jason's order.
No, it's
This
not
is-
even my order either.
They gave us a random order and then didn't give up the other order.
Bruh. Anyway.
The first move.
Oh shit! Come on, you be low on this. So George, Justin.
It looks pretty good now. Thank you.
Funny it is being back here at like 5 a.m. But unfortunately, I still have an Astro assignment that I need to finish. You just gotta do it. You know, let's just get to it. We're done. You know, I'm not happy by the fact that it's past 5 a.m. right now, and I gotta wake up around like 10-ish tomorrow. But just know that everything you do is gonna be worth it in the end. So thank you all for watching. A day that was a bit less enjoyable than usual, but it was definitely a memorable one.
I'm gonna be banging my nuts.
Okay.